Welcome to QAbot.com. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to use our TikTok Creator Bot web-based version to create TikTok accounts automatically. Moreover, the bot can have user upload avatar for created TikTok accounts automatically. To buy this bot, you visit QAbot.com, create an account, then click on software. Next, you click on TikTok Creator V2 here. Then you select the package that you want to buy. Next, you click Add to Cart. Then you click on your cart here. Click Deposit to type up your account. Then click Checkout to make payment for this tool. After making payment, you click on this icon next to your username, then you choose license key. You will see your license management table. Then you click on download button under TikTok Creator V2 here. You will see the links to download the software as well as user agent file. We will use this user agent file at user agent session later. And this is the key that we provided. You will use this key at license key session. We will instruct you later. This is the software file that I downloaded, and these are two of many user agent files that I downloaded. To install the software, you right-click on TikTok Creator V2 right here, then click Extract here. You will receive a TikTok Creator V2 folder like this. Open this folder, then double-click on this file to install the software. This is the interface of TikTok Creator web-based version software. Now we will set up this tool. First, license key session. When you buy the software, we will provide you with the license key already. You need to back to your account on QAbot.com. This is the license key. You click on copy button, then click OK. Then you paste the copy license key into this license key session. Next, account session. You need to import email accounts that will be used to register TikTok accounts here. Click on this icon later, then the database manager dialog box will appear. You can import email accounts in two ways. The first way is you import email accounts manually. You click on this icon, select Add Group, then you enter the group name here. For example, I will enter Red TikTok, then click OK. Then you click on the Created Group, then click on this icon, select Add Item. Then you enter the email address that you want to use to register the TikTok account into this email section. Next, email password. Remember to enable IMAP for all the email accounts that you want to use to register TikTok accounts. In case you use Gmail accounts, you need to turn on 2FA, create app password, and import the app password into the password session instead of the real password. For example, this is the app password of this email account. In case you use other type of email accounts, you can import the email address and real password normally. Then you click OK. In case you select from data at proxy source session, you need to import proxy, bot, proxy user, and proxy password here. You import IB into proxy session, then the bot, and the proxy username, if any, then proxy password, if any. Then you click OK. Similarly, you can import multiple accounts here. The second way for you to import email accounts is you create a new text file to save email accounts. Then you import the corresponding information here. You will separate this information by comma, email address, then comma, password. Similarly, you can enter multiple accounts here. Each account needs to be entered on one line. In case you select from data at proxy source session, you need to import the proxy information too. I will import the proxy information on another line with email accounts. First is email address, then comma, password, comma, IB, colon port, then colon proxy user, colon proxy password, if any. Similarly, you can enter thousands of accounts here. Each account needs to be entered on one line. Then you click to save. On this database manager box, you click on Canvas, select Import CSV, click on this icon. Select the created text file of email accounts. You can see the email accounts have been imported here. The default name of this group is CSV. You can click on this icon to change the group name as you want. Then click OK. You close this dialog box. Then at account session, you select the group of account that you want to use. Next, run session, save the number of accounts that you want the bot to create. You put 1000 here, the bot will automatically stop after creating 1000 TikTok accounts successfully. Next, track session, save the number of TikTok accounts that you want the bot to create at the same time. You put 3 here, the bot will open 3 tabs, simulate 3 different devices to create 3 different TikTok accounts simultaneously. The number of tracks depends on your PC configuration. The higher configuration is, the more threads you can run. Next, cookies folder section. You need to create a new folder named cookies. Then you copy its path to paste it into the cookies folder section. The bot will save cookies of created TikTok accounts in this folder. Next, proxy source session. You can choose one of 3 options here. In case you select from file, you need to set a file proxy session too. There are 2 choices at file proxy session. In case you select live from URL, you need to paste the link address of proxy that you rent from saferproxy.com into this session. For example, this is the link address of proxy. In case you select lines from file, you need to create a new text file to save proxy. Then you import proxy into this text file. For example, these are our proxy. The format here is ib:\port. If your proxy needs proxy username and proxy password to work, you add them here in format ib:\port, proxy username, proxy password. Each proxy needs to be entered on one line. Then you click to save. At file proxy session, you click on this icon, then select the created text file of proxy. In case you select from data at proxy source session, you need to import proxy with the email accounts as you instructed at account session. You can see the proxy information has been imported with accounts here. In case you do not want to use proxy, you select no proxy at proxy strokes here. The bot will use the IP connected with your PC to run. You can visit saferproxy.com to rent safe and cheap proxy. Next, get user agent session. When you select online, the creating successful rates will higher, but the creating speed will lower compared to the from files option. Next, user agent sessions. You need to download one of the user agent files from the links that we provided when you buy the software. I downloaded one user agent file here. Then you click on this icon, select the downloaded user agent file. Next, first name session. You need to set up the first name that the bot will use to create TikTok accounts in the session. There are two options here. If you select random string like this, the software will use the random first name to create TikTok accounts. To see this random first name, you click on this icon, then click on Add Text. You will see the random first name will be used here. To customize the first name as you want, you select Lines from File here. Then you create a new text file to save the first name that you want to use. Then you enter the first name here. Click to save. And at first name session, you click on this icon, select the created text file of first name. Similarly, you can set up the last name session. There are two options. You can select random string or customize the last name with lines from file option. Next, password session. If you don't want to customize the password, you can leave this session at the default. To see the default password, you can click on this icon, then click on Add Text. These are the passwords that will be created randomly. In case you want to customize the password, you click on this icon, delete this default password, then you import the password that you want to create. You can use the spin tag format. Then click on Add Text to see the password that will be created. Next, sleep time session save the range of time that the bot will rest after finishing a thread. The unit is milliseconds, so if you put 20,000 and 30,000 like this, the bot will rest for 20 seconds to 30 seconds randomly after finishing a thread. Next, IMAP server and IMAP port sessions. You need to import the IMAP server and IMAP port of the email type that you imported at account session. For example, if you import Gmail into email account session, you need to search IMAP server and port of Gmail on Google like this. And then you will see the IMAP server and IMAP port here. Just copy this information to paste it into the corresponding session. Then you paste IMAP server and then IMAP port. Next, username ending session. The created username of TikTok accounts will be first name plus last name plus username ending. So you can leave this session at the default, or you can customize username ending sessions as instruction in the password session. Next, Capture API key session. You need to create an account on capture.guru as the link we attach in the text tutorial. Then